How is it going, guys? I'm going to show you how to install the cold air intake on a 93 Honda Civic. This one is an automatic, so this little breather tube right here is all one piece with the coolant. So I'm going to bypass that for now until I do swap out the transmission with the manual. Also gotta do a lot of work back there. I'm also going to change the intake out eventually, but all you need is a 10mm wrench, 10mm socket, whatever, and a flathead screwdriver to put the cold air intake in. I would have shown you how to take the factory air box out, but I had it, threw it away, but there's also other videos to show you how to do that. Honestly, it's just a bolt here, and then two on the inside down here, which I don't have a jack to show you, but it's fairly simple to take it out. Some people just don't know how to put one in, so this is just going to show you how to put one in. And right here I have my DC Sports, got the intake tube, the little boot, the filter, and this guy. We'll start off with this guy. It's back at the engine bay. You have two holes here. This one does not have any threads in it. This one has threads in it. So now you get this guy twisted up in here. Now this one's tightened as tight as I can do it by hand, which is all you need. If you do any more than that, you're going to risk busting the rubber to metal right there. Next, we're going to take the silicone coupler. We're going to take this and the big band. And if some of you guys don't have a bigger throttle body, it's just going to be this 2 to 3 inch or 2 to 2.5 inch adapter. Otherwise, you do 2.5 to 2.5, which I'm running stock throttle body right now, so I'm just using this 2.5 or 2 to 2.5. So let's get it on. For the future and ease of installing and uninstalling, always have this face towards you. And now that we have this guy tightened, it's not going anywhere. Now it's time for the intake tube itself, and I'll show you how that lines up between there. The side here with the nipple is the side that goes throttle body side. The side with the bracket is strut tower side. Alright, installing this one, a little one-handed. It's kind of, difficult, so let me just pause you guys. I'll show you how this goes, unless I can squeeze that on here right now. Let's just take that nut off. Alright, so one-handed again. I had to just take the nut off. Almost missed a step. I do got to put this clamp on right here. Alright, I'm not tightening this one down yet. Got to get this on, which you're going to take this washer that comes with, put it right on top. And this nut has a little bit of nylon threads in it. Be careful, sometimes it will mess up your little guy right here. Get some hand tightened threads real quick. So then this is where you'll take your 10mm. You'll tighten it down just enough. But for now, we'll put this guy on, which, like I said, it got this old junk in the way, which we don't need. But slides right on. Usually you can use a little clamp just to put on here. Otherwise, you could just let it sit on there. It sits perfectly. And one of the final steps is putting the filter on. Just slide that guy on just like that, and you pretty much all got it all set up. All you gotta do is tighten this band, tighten here, and then tighten your clamp right there. And that's how you install a cold air intake. That's what it sounds like when it's running. I would give it a rev, but I respect my neighbors too much, so. Thank you guys for watching.